Okay, William, I've got your work up here. You've got a really nice set of critique comments here, and Nelia did a great job while I was away. So, it's a big thanks to Nelia. Um, I just want to kind of add to what she has said here. So I've got a few observations here. So I take a look at the end, and I see that we have Drink It All in Luxurious Wines in Paradise. So you've got the Join Us in the Exquisite Natural Beauty, and then the finest wine. So that's your promotion. That's great. So you're backing up your promotion with your masked image featuring an element from the promotion. Do you need both? Do you need the wine glass with the wine being poured and the grapes? I think one would suffice. Actually, I think this one would suffice the reinforcing the promotion as the wine promotion, right? But do we need the grapes? And the reason I say that, I think the grapes are really distracting up here for two reasons. Number one is it's a large element, and it's really garnering a lot of attention. So much so that I think the hierarchy of the piece is a little bit compromised. Um, Plus, it's up high in the composition, and it's just really competing with other elements for first position in hierarchy. So I recommend removing the grapes and just using the wine glass. Now, what we could do with the wine glass is we can take that wine glass and just reduce it. Again, it's compromising the harmony of the image because it's garnering it's attracting too much attention, and that's because it's bigger than anything on the page. Right, so what we want to do is we want to establish harmony instead of this kind of disconnect where the masked image seems to be grabbing all the attention. So in order to increase harmony, we're going to reduce this. Consider reducing the size of the glass. Like watch my cursor, something like this right here. Okay. Now, my recommendation is to remove the logo to the right side of the composition and move the address to the left. Right side of lower right side of the composition is a great exit strategy because that's where we exit the composition in that area anyway. So we might as well reinforce the branding of the client by placing the logo right there, right? Makes sense? So that'll leave us with this. Once you reduce that, because we're going to be left with this situation of where do we place the type? And I think right now the type is placed very precariously. It's forced in this area between these two rocks. And presumably it's forced there because that's the only area of the background that has enough of a clear area to place the type. The problem is that the character count is too small, too short. I mean, the text box is really narrow. What I would like to do is once you remove this, try to fit your type in, maybe watch my cursor, something like this. Okay. And just extend your lines a little bit. You've got a little area right here to work with. Another option would be to use white type and maybe to place it over here for your body copy. Once you remove the wine glass or reduce the size of the wine glass, maybe right here or something. But try to work a more natural position for the promotional paragraph. Other than that, I think we're looking really looking fantastic. Nice work. One thing I would recommend is you've got this centered, but you've got it left aligned, right? So I would just left align this whole composition. Drag this over and take that, see that little line right there where the logo starts? Use that as your left margin and just left align this whole configuration right here instead of centering it with the subhead left aligned on the headline. Okay. All right. Those are my recommendations. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, or if I can provide any clarifications, William, please let me know, and I'll be glad to do so. Okay. Good job. Thank you so much.